Abhyaz is a social enterprise and a Zoho authorized partner. We basically are a cooperative of women present in remote parts of the country. They're all solopreneurs and partners here. They are experts in Zoho apps. And we personally use Zoho One to sustain and build this business. I'm Sashi Sairaman. I'm a business mentor at Abhyaz and I'm also the managing director of this company. We adopted Zoho One, rather went in for it in 2020. It was just prior to the COVID. It was in January 2020. I had been evaluating Zoho One for a year then. In 2019, I was looking at Zoho One. It was very attractive. We had about 45 odd apps and everything seemed integrated. And we're already with the existing apps we had integrated. One fine morning, I woke up and said, okay, we're just going to go for this. And your team was absolutely great in helping us finalize and purchase this. We were using CRM, Desk, Finance, then there was mail, we had work drive, the workplace or this thing. At that point in time, Salesforce also was there, HubSpot also was there were Microsoft 365. Since we were using Zoho products already, it kind of made a lot of sense for us to move for Zoho One. We started with something like automated email templates. So that people who are joining and new people who are coming in can use email templates. The second is we did in terms of lead assignments, deal assignments, how can it go into round robin? It's very well distributed. The third is then we went into automation for reminders internally as well as went into automation for reminders externally, and finally came into blueprints. And blueprints have been very, very interesting for us because we have different blueprints based on what the customer is seeking. Most of the clients that we're working with have an access to the portal. So when they go into the portal, it has a very nice look and feel. It has a very aesthetic feel, more on images where the right information. So we've tried to apply a lot of UI UX theory, and we have created custom functions. Primarily, I think the custom functions have been done for auto updates or to call in data from another application within the Zoho One ecosystem. We've also here, I don't have too much of technical privy into it, but for wherever we need some data coming in from different areas, we've used the custom functions. Been very, very helpful. We are a Zoho partner and also we're using Zoho One, right? So first and foremost, we started testing out the sandbox features within our own ecosystem, primarily on CRM. There was also the sandbox on Desk. There's a sandbox on Recruit. So on these three within the Zoho One ecosystem, we've been using the sandbox. Every time we want any implementation done, any changes done, we use this to test it out. Once it is done, then we move on to rolling this out into what you call the production. That's how we do this. For sales enablement, we use a lot of modules in Zoho One for marketing. Some of these modules are campaigns which are for email and social campaigns. We use Zoho Social extensively for our social media marketing. We use PageSense for knowing about our websites, how it performs, landing pages, especially when we are running events. And of course, our website also is developed on Zoho sites. Sales IQ helps us extensively, not just on quality leads, it helps us from our organization perspective, and I will tell you how. We have integrated Sales IQ not just to our website, but also to our learning management system. So whenever we have interns who are coming in or any customer who's coming in, we've got Sales IQ in which it pops up. It allows them to ask questions, and we've written enough algorithms in Sales IQ to help the customer profile navigate through their inquiry. We offer internships in about 15 plus countries today. There are about 200,000 applicants have crossed for our internships. About 3,500 interns have completed. We had about 50 plus partners. This is a kind of talent pool that we are now managing. So Zoho One's HR modules are absolutely integral to our operations. Right. Now these HR modules go all the way from recruitment to people or HRMS to payroll systems to any documentation management and communication. Right. All of this is extensively automated, and that's possible only because of the kind of automation and the frameworks that Zoho One's modules offer here. The second thing is we use Zoho People, the module, primarily also to track our skill matrix. So there are different people come with different expertise and things like that. How do you do this? Check in and check out, attendance, all of this is managed not just within People, also within Click. So it's not just Zoho People, we also use now Zoho Click. So it's been a dream. That way, this module has been a dream for us in managing all of this. Zoho Sign, initially we were using only for the HR, and now we've expanded it into other areas. It's removed any necessity for somebody to physically sign and submit, and that's made life a lot easier. Support is an integral part of any business. Any business has customers, it has offers products and services, and when we do that, support is absolutely necessary. So here we use Zoho Desk extensively, and I think it would be a fair statement to say quite a good expert in that particular module. We use Zoho Desk primarily with a multi-brand feature. So it's not just Abhyaz, we also had used it for MTab technology. So that is one. We've got different departments in it, so depending on who is raising the ticket, it could be an intern who's raising a ticket, that goes into a different department. It could be an existing Zoho customer who's come in, because we're Zoho partners, those are the products. Some of our earlier products also required support. For that, we have different departments. And so we've used this extensively and customized it for easy workflow and automation. So we use Zoho Forms and surveys extensively for collecting feedback. Reporting and metrics is absolutely essential, and I think after so many years of having worked and been a professional, I understand that it's important to track certain metrics. Firstly, we implemented Zoho Analytics module extensively, and we used to pull in all the data into it. But now what we do is, in every app itself, we customize the reports. We build custom dashboards and we build metrics. We track metrics through this. So for any business owner, right, the finance is a very touchy subject, but it's also the most important subject, because we are all running an organization which has to be compliant, which has finance as a very important function. And I think Zoho One's finance modules has been extremely helpful, because let's take, I'm going to mention a few modules. We use billing. Billing is what we use for invoicing, raising invoices. We use books for our accounting system. We use payroll, which is kind of a quasi-finance module. We use expenses. These are the 4 things that I can think of top of my mind. So all of these are also integrated with the relevant other modules in Zoho. There are certain everyday modules that are essential for operations of the business. Click, which is an internal chat engine that our team uses to communicate. Calendar, which manages individual calendars, team calendars. We've got bookings, which allows the customer to come and set up a booking with experts in our team. Then we've got Work Drive, where entire document, not just a document, is managed. I think your entire Office ecosystem like Writer, Excel, PowerPoint, those things also work into this. So on a daily basis, these are what we call essential applications. We took January 2020 is when we took Zoho One, right? I think we saw impact very soon. One is we were porting from existing modules of Zoho. So we saw impact very soon, and that was a time where COVID was happening. So imagine we were able to conduct business, communicate, operate, conduct the entire business online, and that really helped. So we saw impact soon. Biggest challenge that Zoho One solved was it was interconnected. It brought the team together, right? Otherwise, typically in any organization, data does not flow between teams. So data flow got solved. Zoho One is a great product. I'm going to just simply say that it solves more than what it offers. All the products are great. There's no doubts about it. But that point in time, was also using Zoho CRM and Zoho Desk. It was a natural choice, and price does make a difference, right? That when you have a great product and it's amazing features, on top of it, it's offered at a great price. Why not? If I had to say, Zoho One is the engine that drives Abhyaz.